Hello, I am the Dark Fae, and welcome back to another K-pop makeup look. Today I'm going to be doing a look from one of ITZY's teaser photos that they released for the notshy, their kind of upcoming comeback. So I'm going to be doing Yeji's look here. So she kind of has a kind of a nude, basic, sparkly eye with a little bit of that like puffy eye trend, and then like a blue star kind of at the very corner. So that's the look I'm going to be doing today. Let's begin. Okay, so first thing, as I'm going to be working my left eye today, which is a little weird because I'm better at doing my right eye, maybe because I'm right-handed. But I'm going to kind of darken the top part of my crease a little bit using my Tartelette in Bloom palette and the color Jet Setter and Trendsetter, kind of mixing these two together a little. I'm going to just kind of focusing on on this upper lid part, darken it just a little bit so that you kind of increase the definition and add some dimension back to my eyes. And then I'm also going to use a little bit of Funny Girl here in the corner to kind of add a bit of shimmer to my upper lid. And also kind of make it pop a little bit more. Focusing on kind of the ball of my eye to give it more dimension. And then I'm going to be taking, I actually got a new palette. This is the Hamish Dailyism palette in, I think, Coral Essay. And what it looks like, mirror is very reflective, I apologize. And I'm going to be using color right here, which is, I believe, Coral Glitter, and kind of sweeping that all over the top lid. This nice glitter color. I'm gonna just that on the lid for shimmer. And then I'm also going to take a little bit of this kind of nude color here. On kind of a fluffy brush and kind of blend out the shadow that I had made. Just soften it and also give it a little bit of a warmer tone. And I'm actually going to add a little bit of that glitter as well. Actually, I'm going to add this color. It looks white, but it's actually got kind of a coral sheen to it as well. That one's pink glitter. And I'm going to add that on my inner corner. And then blend it out with my pinky. And adding a little bit on like the ball of my eye. Okay. Like that. So now for the lower lash line. To kind of create that puffy look, I start off with a lighter color normally. So I'm going to use the color Charmer here. And I'm actually just going to take that on my finger and kind of sweep it along my lower lash line, kind of. Help sort of brighten up the area. And I'm doing this kind of following like the natural little puff that I do have. Right eye is a little bit more extensive than the left, but that's okay. So once it's a little bit lighter, and with that I'm actually going to add a little bit of Funny Girl and also kind of sweep that beneath my lower lash line. So in the photo, the bottom lash line looks a little bit shimmery as well to match the top. So I will go ahead and add in a little bit of that same kind of coral glitter that we had used before. And then using an angled brush, I'm going to take a combination of like this coral color here and the color Smarty Pants in my Brightlit and Bloom palette, and kind of just draw a very thin line underneath that section that I had kind of lightened. That helps to kind of smile, see where that line is, and then just very gently kind of help define it. For kind of that puffy eye look. And then she does have a slightly warmer kind of coral look to her eyes. So I'm going to take a bit of this kind of bronzy color, shimmery bronze color, mixing it a bit with that coral, and use that. Kind of like this. The glitter, I really need a better camera. The glitter doesn't come through as well on the camera as it does in person. I'm actually going to go a little bit into my Natasha Denona palette, going into the color Azalea, and I'm going to use that to line the lower lash line to try and get a bit more color. There we go. Better. And then after that, just kind of one more time, brightening up this outer, or this lower portion again. Okay, so now the fun part is the blue little circle star. So this one I'm going to take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm using a sky blue color here. I'm going to start off at the upper and lower outer corner of my lash line. Kind of first follow that natural line. Got kind of a pop of blue. Since those make up like the first 2 points of the stars. add a little bit of a dark blue to get it to come up better on camera. That, and then trace one point kind of upwards at the outer corner. One kind of going the same, kind of following my lash line here, and then kind of just extending it. Changing the angle slightly. And then the last one kind of a little, and I'm also making it a little bit bigger, I think, but I think that's okay. Give it a little bit more of an edgier look. Like that. I hope you can kind of see the star there. Honestly, a lot more vivid in person, but I think you can see it. And then the last step is to, I don't think I'm going to apply eyeliner this time, but I'm just going to apply mascara on my lashes, apply mascara, maybe darken, maybe line the upper lash line a little bit. Okay, so that is one eye kind of done. Do kind of wish you could see the sparkle in the blue a little bit better. You see if I can zoom out and if it'll work a little. Yes, we'll see it. I kind of like the subtlety of it. It's like a little edgy, but not too overwhelming. Yeah, but that is the left eye complete, and I'm gonna move on to the right eye and then come back with the finished look. See you soon. Okay, so there is the completed eye look. I assume she's got stars on both sides. Maybe she doesn't. Let me see what happens if I turn my lights off. Oh, it's a lot darker now. No. Try turning my lights down a little bit. A bit more clearly see the stars on both sides. So you can kind of see that puffy eye look that's very popular right now amongst like K-pop idols and kind of makes it look like your eyes are bigger and kind of like you're smiling all the time. So alright, so last off is now actually the lips. She's kind of a new like coral color of a lip, so I'm going to be using a tiny bit of my Peri Para Ink Airy Velvet #1 just to kind of neutralize some of the pink that I've got going on naturally right now. But I do think this one's a little bit too bright. So I'm going to use my finger and just kind of blend it out a little bit. And then taking this is the Romand Lasting Water Tint. This is in Brick River. I'm going to use this because this one is a little bit more orange. Although I don't really want the shine, but it's got the right color. And then once it kind of settles and fades a little bit, it has a proper color, but again, I don't think colors are showing up properly on camera. But anyways, that is the final look for ITZY's Yeji in their Not So Shy comeback coming up. We zoom in one more time. Star. It's not as defined as I would like, but I think that will improve if I get better makeup, so I'll work on that. This is a really fun look to do. I like doing more artistic and more unusual kind of makeup looks. Of course, this is definitely tame by some standards, but I still don't think I would wear this out normally, but it's kind of a cool, different, kind of a funky look. Oh, there it is. There is I'll probably post some pictures to Instagram later. Hopefully those turn out a little better. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you thought of my recreation of Yeji's look from her teaser photo. And let me know if you're excited for ITZY's comeback. I saw ITZY perform in KCON LA last year, 2019. So that's kind of how I got introduced to the group. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for notifications when I put out new videos. And I'll see you in the next Kpop look. Bye!